ake nilalele le video nangu esiwonisha.
Abazalwane abaningi bangithumela ama-video aphuma ku-brother Luther. Bathi lalela ukuthi uthukana kanjani. Bazalwane, mangithi ngiyalalela uyathukana nomzalwane. That's why ngibuza ukuthi is he born again or dead again?
Whether I'm born again or dead again, it's none of your business. Uhlanganaphi? Angithi uma sikhuluma ngendaba yakho nomjolo wakho nalosisi okuthiwa Grace, lento ebeseculator la okunama voice messages nama screenshot, uthi akuyona indaba yethu, indaba yakho nesithandwa sakho. Wena uhlanganaphi? Uthi I'm born again or dead again. It's none of your business, sir. Ngizomphendula ngasekugcineni, ake siqhubeke simuze ukuthi usuza uthini.
Abazalwane babonisa ama-fruit wokufa. That's why ngibuza ukuthi are you still born again or you are dead again?
Njengawe nje ubonisa ama-fruit okunuka, ama-fruit okubola. Ingakho nje ungumdodovu wekhehla elisolwa ngokulala, elisolwa ngomjolo, libe lithi lithola izambulo kuJesu. By the way, mangikhuluma kanjena ke uthi ngiyathukana, akukho la ungahlangana nevideo yami ngimbiza ngithi kuthi kanyoko, cha, ayikho ivideo njalo eyinhlapha. Kodwa njengoba ubonisa ukuncola nje, ukunuka, njengoba umzalwane ongashadile kodwa usolakala ngama-sex scandals, kunabantu abathi banama-nudes akho njengoJohnson Macala, njengoba wabhala. Are you born again or dead again? Ubolile kimi sis, uyanuka. Njengoba uvula umlomo nje ukhipha into enukayo kulezo yisini, usezogijima ke ethi ngimthukile. Nimthathele ke nale video nina zimpanga zakhe niyombonisa.
Lalelani ke bazalwane, ngifonelwe abanye abobaba, they are advocates. Bathi bona they are group of advocates. Bathi brother, kunabantu abakuthukayo lapha, bayakuthuka, they curse you without a proof. Bakhuluma ngentombazana without a proof. And bakhuluma i-statement eziningi without a proof. And mabaqeda brother, bayakuthuka on social media ngento abangayazi, abangana proof. So labo baba bathi kimi, brother, we are not lawyers, we are advocates, we are a group of advocates. Sivumele si-accuse labantu laba abakuthukayo. Ngizwa kahle bazalwane? These people are advocates, these gentlemen. Bafuna permission from me. But brother Enigma, we want to discipline labantu abalokhu bakuthuka laba. Bayakuthuka without a proof. Bayakhuluma nje into ebayizwe ngefone. It's a hearsay. So bafuna ukuthi mina ngibavumele bayosuwa labo brother laba abalokhu bakhuluma ku social media. So bengithi ke ngitshele bazalwane ukuthi mina I'm a child of God who walks with the Lord, or who hears the voice of the Lord when the Lord say, go and warn my children, go and tell my children. So ke labo advocate bafuna permission from me. But brother Tina, we will sue them. We will work for you. We will sue them. Don't pay us. We will sue them. Ngoba bamoshi igospel kaNkulunkulu, bamosha negama lakho, futhi bayathukana. And bangitshela labo baba bathi the purpose here ukuthi bona labantu bagijimisana nama-viewers kulama channel wabo. Bathi brother, allow us. We want to sue them. And we cannot sue them without your permission.
Allow us, brother, allow us. Kazi ucanda yini wena Enigma? Mozibuka nje sibukweni uvuka, ubuka lezi izini zakho, uyayitshela yini impela? Bebeke phi labo advocate bakho abawu4? Uyabona nje njoba bewu4, ingoba phela ubale mina, wabala uJohnson Macala, wabala uMinirty, nalo sisa angafuna ukumsho ngegama. So yi4 umuntu nomuntu ne-advocate ezodila naye. But brother, allow us. We can't sue them without your permission. Bebeke phi? Uma uthi wena uboniswa imvubu yehla ezulwini uyinika uJesu, uthe ngitalaphe ngayo, ukhuluma ku-Chris Network. Bebeke phi mawukhuluma ngamagama ethu? Bebeke phi mawuthi ubone omamzane lembokazi beshe emlilweni esogweni? Bebeke phi mawuthi ubone the latest South African soccer ball star soccer i-football star uSenzo Meyiwa uthi ubona ikhanda lakhe liligendwa amadimoni esogweni bebeke phi labo advocate kuwa bonke labantu osukuwakhuluma ngabo ubani osekwakusuwa ngaphandle kukaPastor Mkhuba kuphela so Pastor Mkhuba wakufundisa isifundo ukuthi kuyaswana. Allow us, brother, allow us. We can't sue them without your permission. Lalela zisinindini. Allow them. Mina ngedwa, I'm not scared. I am not scared. I am ready to deal with you. Kade ke ngaqala. Ingakho ningamangali bahlali njalo mayikhuluma igama lami lihamba phambili. Ukuthi mina kule group eyayimfollower engajika kuqala, engambona kuqala ukuthi uyisibozi sekhehla, ubolile unamanyala. Ayikho lento uJesathi is a liar. Allow them ke mina I give you permission, allow them. Noma ngabayeka laba abanye ubatshele badile nami kusho mina I'm ready mina to deal with you. I've got my own lawyers nami. I'm not scared. Nizolo ngikubhalelile message kuyo leya video yakho la ubukaka usuza khona ngomlomo. Ngeke ungayiboni leya message. Ngitshele no Chris ukuthi akuthumele. Mina ngedwa as brother Luther I'm not scared. Ungabayeka laba abanye ngoba oJohnson Macala bashilo bathi banawo amanotes kodwa bayasabi kwaveza ngoba bazoboshwa. To me it's not about le scandal kuphela. Mina yami impi nawe isuka kude. Mhla ushintsha lapha ungenza mubi kuma followers akho uwajikele ngithukwa ngenxa yakho uhamba ukhuluma igama lami kulezi isini zakho. Imistake ongayenza nje ukuthi ufake igama lami ulikhiphe ngalezo isini zakhe ezinukayo. Mina ke I'm not scared but brother allow us allow them. Ngikutshenile na izolo ngizonibonisa la imessage engimbhalele yona lo msotho video namanje uzothi ngikuthukile.
I am warning you because the advocates are standing by to sue you. Ngikhuluma ngoLuther, Brother Khumbu and Menier T and the lady as well. Advocates are ready to sue you. If I allow them, they are going to sue you. But now I am warning you as a child of God, and I'm a child of God, you are a child of God. We also want to go to heaven, or we all want to go to heaven. So we need to serve the Lord in a rightful way, in a good manner. So masebenzele uNkulunkulu bazalwane, singabhidlizi imisebenzi kaNkulunkulu. The advocates are ready to sue you. If I say yes, ngiyandlula lapho.
Lalela ke enigma of booty, enigma wamanyala. Mina ngedwa angisatshiswa nje. Ungangisabisi. If wena uthi kunama advocate ready ukusuwisha noma ungabayeka laba batshele basuwe mina. Nami I will deal with you with my lawyers. Uyakhumbula ukuthi kuma followers akho akhona engicishe ngawabopha. Khona omunye engamyeka ngoba esexolisa ngamyeka. Ukube mina ngangifuna ukukusuwa wena enigma ngabe kade ngakusuwa. Phela nje bengikulungisa ngidila nawe la ku social media njengoba uhlalo wenza kwabanye abantu. So bucandwena enigma uzofika ukhulume ngathi bese siyakuyeka thina. Uma sesidila nawe bese uzosabisa ngama advocate. Wadedele lama advocate awes uthi kusho mina ubrother Luther. Ngiyakubona ama followers akho bebekhuza kule platform yakho la kade usuza khona ukaka wenza le video la kade unya khona. Mina I'm not scared. Ngithemba bazoyithatha nale message bakunike. I'm not scared. If ufuna silwe ngecourt, I will deal with you ngecourt. I'm not scared. Ungathi futhi awuzukwenza lokho ngoba umntwana kaNkulunkulu awuyena umntwana kaNkulunkulu wena. If wena ungumntwana kaNkulunkulu shuthi nami nginguye. Hey. Kazi uyayitshela ukuthi yini ngempela.